Welcome to our in-depth review of the Apple MacBook Air 2025 with the powerful M4 chip. Is the Apple MacBook Air 2025 the perfect ultra-portable powerhouse? Let's find out. The 2025 MacBook Air packs Apple's latest M4 chip. This MacBook Air is designed for those who need uncompromising power in an ultra-portable form factor. Let's dive into the design and how portable this MacBook Air really is. The midnight color option is sleek and resists fingerprints remarkably well. At just 11.3 millimeters thin and weighing 1.24 kilograms, it's incredibly slim and light. The display is where this MacBook Air truly shines. Let's talk about the stunning Liquid Retina display. Featuring a 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display with support for 1 billion colors. Expect rich contrast, crisp text, and stunning detail for all your visual needs. Under the hood, the Apple M4 chip delivers incredible performance. With a 10-core CPU and 8-core GPU, it's up to 1.5x faster than the M2. The 16 gigabytes unified memory ensures seamless multitasking, even with heavy apps. This MacBook Air is built to support Apple Intelligence and the latest macOS. Enjoy on-device AI features designed for productivity, privacy, and speed. Running macOS Sequoia, the experience is refined and integrates seamlessly with iOS devices. Let's talk about the impressive battery life this MacBook Air offers. Get up to 18 hours of battery life on a single charge for a full workday. MagSafe charging ensures quick and safe recharging whenever needed. Connectivity options are robust, providing for all your needs. It includes Thunderbolt 4 ports, MagSafe, headphone jack, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.3. Now supports up to 2 external monitors when the lid is closed. Let's see how the camera and audio perform on this MacBook Air. The 12 megapixels front-facing camera with center stage keeps you centered during video calls. Enjoy a 3-mic array and quad speaker system with spatial audio for an immersive experience. Let's quickly cover the pros and cons of the MacBook Air 2025. Key pros include speed, display, battery, and ecosystem integration. Cons include limited ports, base storage, price, and limited upgradability. Let's wrap up with our final verdict on the MacBook Air 2025. We give the MacBook Air M4 2025 a 4.8 out of 5 rating. Click the link in the description to buy now.